Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp business display name easily. If you want to update your business name on WhatsApp, whether for rebranding or corrections, I'll walk you through in a step-by-step process.
The first thing that you need to do is to click the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Settings. After that, click your profile. And then from there, what you're going to do is to click on Business Name. And you can edit the business name that you want to change to your account. After that, click the OK button and click on Continue. And then finally, you've successfully changed your business name on WhatsApp. And that's how you change your WhatsApp business display name. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.